Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful floral table runner. So the main items I'm using are pool noodles and some copper coil that I got from Lowe's, and I got the pool noodles from Amazon. I'll post the links in the description. So I've put the copper coil through one of the pool noodles, and I bent it first to the shape that I wanted, and then I pushed it through the pool noodle. You can also just push it straight and then bend it. And this, I found, just keeps the pool noodle in the shape I want it. And then I'm just going ahead and attaching a second pool noodle to make it wider. And I wanted more height, so I'm adding one more on top. And that same copper coil, that one strip of it, will secure all of them. As long as you've got the coil through one of the noodles and you just secure the others to it, you'll keep your shape. So I'm just attaching that with some thin metal wire and just twisting it. I ran out of wire, so I just continued with some more, with some tape all around it. And this is masking tape, so the flowers will still push through. And just a bit more wire on that point. Okay, once that's done, you can go ahead and just start inserting your flowers. I got these flowers from Michael's. And with the pool noodles, I did think maybe I'd need the glue gun as well, but I really didn't. It's really secure once you push the flowers through. So what I'm doing for more height and dimension is I've got some flowers pushed in all the way till it reaches the base of the flower, and then I've cut some longer stems of flowers, and I'm just sticking them in so they have some height, so just making different heights throughout the runner. And then I'm going in with some different color flowers, some smaller flowers just in between. And then I'm just adding some leaves. If you want it leafier, then I'd suggest you start first with your leaves and then insert your flowers in between. But I really just wanted a few leaves in with the flowers. Okay, and then this is just the just finishing off the runner with more flowers of different colors, just to break up the pink a little bit. And that is it. This is my first time making this, just to show you how simple it is to make it. I really hope you try this. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.